What's up everyone? I'm Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. So today we are totally making a soap that is just totally fetch. Today we are making a soap that has one of my favorite scents of all time. And of course I called it We Wear Pink because on Wednesdays we wear pink. It's not Wednesday today, that's why I'm not wearing pink, but on Wednesdays we wear pink. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we are going to be making a soap I like to call On Wednesdays Where We Wear Pink. If you know the movie reference, let me know down in the comments below. We are going to be using some really red mica from Nurture Soap. We are also going to be using some Voodoo from Mad Micas. And then we are using Watermelon Punch Mica from Nurture Soap. This is a very gorgeous light pink color. Love it. And then for the fragrance, we are using Pink Berry Mimosa. It's supposed to behave well. It doesn't accelerate. It doesn't have vanillin, so it shouldn't discolor. And then for the top, we're going to put some Himalayan sea salt on it. Himalayan pink salt, Himalayan salt. This stuff right here, it's pink. It's salt. It's from the Himalayas. You know what I mean. I've already put in my kaolin clay and my goat milk powder, and I've given that a quick blitz. So let's get to soaping. Alright, so I'm going to split this off into 2 containers. The darker 2 pinks are going to be my accent colors, and the lighter pink is going to be my primary color. So we're going to go light pink, oh, I mean, look how gorgeous that is. Come on. Do medium pink. And then, of course, our dark. Well, it's not really pink. It's red. But it's our darkest color, so we'll call it dark pink, even though technically it is red. And then I need some paper towels because I got everything all over me. And then I'm going to actually mix this in by hand, see how that works out. I'm a sucker for a good pink and a good red. And I don't really use them a whole lot when I soap. I tend to gravitate to like the greens and the blues and even yellows and oranges when I soap. I very rarely ever use like red. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. All right, my hands are slippery, but we're going to add in our, oh, that smells so good. I don't drink, but I would totally drink this. So let's give this a mix in. Ooh, that discolored. Hopefully that comes back. It said it didn't discolor, but that is not the same color it was a minute ago. Same with you. You're not as bad though. Maybe we just need to add a little bit more. You're looking peachy now. Nobody wants peach. We don't wear peach on Wednesday. We totally wear pink on Wednesday. You know? So let me I'm just gonna add a little bit more. hope we can get, and hope that once this cures, it turns back to the normal color. Ooh. Because I don't like that. I like the smell of it, but I don't want that color. All right, let's give this a quick stick blend. Maybe that'll help. All right, shoot off there, shoot over there. Whew, we're making a mess. All right. What are we going to do? First, we're going to make sure we're in frame, because who knows half the time if I am, right? And then, I don't know, should we do a drop swirl? Should we do it in the pot swirl? Should we just like wing it and just throw it all in there at once, see what happens? I know what I'm going to do. I am going to, I'm going to wing it. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Totally going to wing it. I'm going to take these pinks and I'm just going to because they're looking pretty similar. There's just a smidgen of difference between the two. And then we're going to wing it and drop this right in the middle. Oh, it smells so good. Can't wait to use it. And we're going to fling some soap everywhere, because why not? Oh, this is totally my new favorite scent. I want to just like bathe in this scent. No, stop making a mess. It's not what we're doing. Not making messes today. Totally making messes today, right? All right. Overhead camera hasn't shut off yet. We're winning today. It's been so hot that it's been like overheating and just shutting off. So I'm sure there will be a few videos, if there haven't already been, of the angle just changing. And that is why. So be prepared in future videos or in past videos. If you haven't gone and watched my past videos, you can totally go and do that. I'm sure there'll be a couple of those, because that's how we roll around here. We make messes and wing it. All right, I'm just going to give that a little swirl. And I'm going to take my sea salt and I'm just going to put it right down the center. My hands are so sweaty they're sticking to the bag. rubbing alcohol, spritzy spritz. And then because it's super hot and my soap is a little bit warm already, because it's a beer soap, it's got sugars, because it's a goat milk soap, it's got sugars, I don't want it to partially gel. I'm gonna force it through gel using the oven process. Yes, I can speak the words today. So like I mentioned in pretty much every video, if you don't know what oven processing is, or you don't know what gel phase is, I have a video on oven processing. I also have a video on how to fix a partial gel and what it is. It shows you what it is. So be sure to check those out. Those will be in the description box. But don't go and check those out yet, because in about 3 seconds, we're gonna cut this amazing smelling soap. All right, so I was so excited this morning to wake up just to cut this soap. I don't know what it is about this soap. I love the pink. I love the smell. I'm hoping the inside is as good as the outside, because I don't know. This is probably my favorite soap of all time. But she's thick. Oh. That's what she looks like. The light pink turned out a little lighter than I would have liked, and the two other pinks are kind of very similar, but she smells amazing, and I'm not mad at that. And plus I love the top with the pink Himalayan salt. And it smells so good. So good. So I guess I'll see you guys in the outro. So that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. I've got a lot of videos planned for the upcoming months, to include some liquid goat milk soap and some goat milk lotion. And if you haven't checked out some of my previous videos, be sure to do that as well. We have a goat milk bath bomb video that I may update, I don't know yet, but it's one of my favorite bath bombs. So be sure to check that out as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.